Hey you guys, I'm going to go over the topic A of this module in math because we're getting ready to move forward to go on to um, topic B. But this is all about, remember, the data. It's about taking data that's represented as pictures or as a graph and being able to read that data, which is just information, and come to conclusions about it and solve problems about it. So this topic A, the overview, this is a picture graph. So they have given us stars to represent the information. And this key tells us that each star represents two students. So this is a survey of students, their favorite hobbies. So we see the title, favorite hobby. We have reading, sports, music, art, and other. So when we look at the information on reading, when it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars, it tells us that each star represents two students. So this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 students. Okay, 10 students. When we look at sports, so sports says 2, 4, 6. So we have 6 students as sports. Music, 2, 4. Art, 2, 4. Other, 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 students because they're each 2. Now, first question, how many students pick sports as their favorite hobby? When we look at sports, remember, we've already calculated them. We have 2, 4, 6. 6 students. The same number of students picked blank and blank as their favorite hobby. So now we've already calculated. So we can look and see which are the same. Music and art. So music and art. Now, how many more students picked reading than art? When we look, reading had 10, art had 4. It says how many more and tells us to use a number sentence to show our thinking. So remember, a number sentence, this is an equation. So you need to have an operation symbol like a plus or a minus and then an equal sign. It's how did you come to that conclusion? So we have 10 and 4, reading, art. How many more? So we're looking for the difference. For the difference, we're going to subtract 10 minus 4 is 6. This is our number sentence right here. We're showing our work using numbers. So that's our number sentence. And then we have our answer is 6 more picked reading than art. How many total number of students were surveyed? So we've already added those up, but we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 stars. So we have 16 stars. Each star is worth 2 students. So 2 times 16, 32. And also if we added these up, we figured out there was 10 plus 6 plus 4 plus 4 plus 8. We would get the same as that 32 students. Now, the second thing that was in topic A was a bar graph. So this is just giving us a representation of information, but this time it's on a graph. It can be straight up and down, or it can go horizontally this way. But we have 0 to 16. It wants us to take this, it says to have a ruler, but it wants us to take this information and put it on a line plot by plotting it. And this builds us up to what we're doing in our next topic. But even if you don't have a ruler, just like a number line, we're going to start with 0. We're going all the way up to 16. So remember I say that like the easiest way to draw these with the lines and to make sure they're even is to look at what is in the middle. So in the middle of 0 and 16, you have 8. So you're just going to fill these numbers in, and then you are going to look at plotting that next information.